In the world of hands-on tasks, having the right tools can make all the difference. But what if your tools could free up your hands while still providing the illumination you need? Introducing rechargeable flashlight gloves, the game changer every DIY enthusiast and professional needs in their toolkit. Here's why these gloves are the ultimate solution. 1. Hands-free convenience. With built-in LED lights on your fingertips, you can say goodbye to juggling flashlights or holding them in your mouth. Your hands are free to focus on the task at hand, making everything from automotive repairs to camping trips a breeze. 2. Enhanced safety. By illuminating your workspace directly from your fingertips, rechargeable flashlight gloves illuminate shadows and provide consistent lighting. Whether you're working under the hood of a car or navigating a dark trail, or you're walking your dog late at night, safety is paramount. 3. Eco-friendly and cost-effective. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. They come with built-in rechargeable ones, saving you money in the long run and reducing waste. It's a win-win for your wallet and the environment. 4. Versatility. From plumbing repairs to outdoor adventures, these flashlight gloves are versatile to handle any task. With adjustable straps and durable construction, they're designed to fit comfortably and withstand the rigors of daily use. Don't let darkness slow you down and experience the freedom of hands-free illumination. Your projects and your hands will thank you. I've added the link in the description box below if you want to get it. Please like, comment, and follow if you want more videos like these. Thanks for watching.